Welcome everyone. Today I'm going to discuss about computer mediation communication, synchronous communication, synchronous communication, electronic mode systems, thread discussion forum, electronic pen Paris, individual and corporate research projects, electronic monitors, electronic field tips, group development of products, social action project. Online chat, paying text chats, audio chat, audio of moderation, lead discussion through technology methods, share whiteboard, multi user dimensions and multi objective orientation, living verbal environment. You can become anything you want, time consuming to keep up, text only, and graphical or sound environment bandwidth and technology constraint. Virtual synchronous classroom, center system, center e-meeting trial service, e-class learning link. Attribute of virtual environment, computer generated representations of real or imaginary environment. Experience as the three dimension via a number of sense, virtual or oral and or practice. Objective within the environment are independent of user and can display real world behavior. The user have autonomous control. The freedom to navigate and interact with the objective using a number of different viewpoints. Interact occur in real times and the user experience feeling of the present and or immersion. VR make it possible. Virtual and manipular things that you cannot see in the real world. Take on different perspective, visual 3D concept, interact in the real time, explore dangerous situations, present realistic and abstract scenario, promote different learning styles and teaching methods. Education virtual reality AS interact projects, emulating the real world, making an electronic world seem real, interactive, not static 3D image, not moving within the world, manipulations objective in the world, fight simulator, desktop metaphors, point and click adventure games. Type of VR, desktop VR, ordinary screen, mouse or keyboard control, Polamas mouse, screen wheel, joysticks. Immersion VR, helmet, goggles, data glove, body sheet, and tampolins. Smart TV screen for each eye, slightly different angle and 3D effect. Motorbike, SKI, simple control, go within. Virtual roller coaster, aircraft cockpit, ship bridge. Inside VR, screen projects on wall, realistic environment, hydraulic rams and real control and other people. Simulate dangerous and expensive situations, command and control, virtual tourism practice, medical procedures, see hidden real world features, virtual wind tunnel. Engagement, feeling part of the virtual world, engage the screen, side, virtual realism, 3D effect, shadow, etc. Sound, surrounding sound, subsets of and touch, hat tricks, and the force feedback. Engage the body, collaborate the virtual environment, realistic devices, movement in the environment, interactions and control of the objective, rapid feedback, virtual world, multiple practice, able to communicate, and embodied avatar. Pros, great lever anonymous, hidden disability, cause no body language, limited communication, and SAD. Virtual university, traditional distance learning plus CD room or video, email button board, IRC plus or chat, see you see me, virtual classroom, augmented reality, video image on screen, computer tools, video of room and work in progress. Immersive virtual reality and immersive VR, the user become fully immersed in an artificial three-dimension world that is completely generated by a computer. The head monitors display at the fast devices, providing its whether in an immersion experience. HMD house 2 minaret display screen and automatic system that channels the image from the skin of the eye, thereby presenting a stereo views of the virtual world. The monitor's tracker continuously measure the positions and orientation of the user head and allow the image generating computer to adjust the scene presentations to the current view. As a result, the viewers can look around and walk the surrounding virtual environment. A virtual of the input devices like data gloves, joysticks, and handheld one allow the user to navigate through a virtual environment and to interact with virtual objective. Directional sound, tractors, and force feedback devices, voice recognitions, and other technology are being employed to enrich the immersion experience and to create more sensualized interaction. Characteristics of the immersion VR. The unique characteristics of immersive virtual reality can be summarized as follows. Head refers viewing provided natural interface of the navigations in the three-dimensional space and allow the for look around, walk around, and fly through capability in virtual environment. Stereotyping views enhance the perception of the depth and the sense of space. The virtual world is present in the full scales and repeats property to the human size. Realistic interactions with the virtual objective via data globe similars and device allow the manipulations, operations, and control of virtual world. The convincing illusions of being fully immersed in an artificial world can be enhanced by auditory haptics and other non-visual technology. Network applications allow for shared virtual environment. Distributive learning. Buffin Divisional Board of Education more than 10 years ago invested in the first class BBS service to link all schools in the divisions. Apple Canada developed and lucrative and manufacturing syllabus and English keyboard provide lots of equipment and resources. CSILE function as a collaborative learning environment and a communication communal database which both text and graphic capability. These networks multimedia environment less study generate nodes contain an idea or piece of information relevant to the topic understand developed by IOISE. Technical issue. Many communities do not have access to the high-speed bandwidth. Community access to the internet through library schools. Federal government will be providing annex satellite access within the next 5 years. Some schools setting up dial-up server service for current distance education program prepare based Alberta correspondence. English as a second language visual and tactics predominant learning style and experience working electrically in the both language. Multiple stakeholder involved in any learning project, some of which do not speak English. Community and elder participants and approval requires communication, language, and transportation issues. Stakeholders and develop are spread across great distance. Technical issue of sharing files, information, working with material in another language. These are the very important aspects and very important explanations of this virtuality. And this way, we can make a very unique contributions in education, many unique contributions in a different way. If you have any question regarding this point, you directly can communicate with me. Thank you. Bye bye and take care.